Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding this keyword in Java and what's the importance of this keyword. We will see that. So let us start with the program. So we will see how this keyword is helpful in Java. So first, let me create a class. The class first. I'll create one more class. Already one test. This is the create one more class, that is class student. Okay, going to create class student. After creating a class student, I'm going to create a constructor. I hope you know the constructor student. Okay. Going to pass three parameters. Those one is int roll number. The next one is the string name. Okay. Then one more is float p. These are the three parameters I'm going to take in this. Okay. Before that, I'm going to initialize three variables. Okay, instance variable I'm going to declare int roll number with the same name. Okay, whatever the parameters are given there. This is the variable. Okay, these are formal parameters. I hope you know these are formal parameters. These are variables. Okay, instance variable and int. The next one is string name. Okay, one is string name. The next one is float fee. So three variables I'm going to declare. Now what I'm doing is inside this constructor, I'm going to initialize all the parameters to variables. I'm storing this variable into this name. Okay, so what I'll do is it's roll number equal to roll number. So since there are two roll numbers, see, this roll number refers to this roll number is equal to roll number. Whatever the parameters taking from this constructor is saved in the instance variable. These are instance variable. These are variables. Just instance variable. Instance variable. Sorry, variable. Instance variable. All these three. So I'm storing whatever the formal parameters inside instance variable. Roll number is equal to roll number. Name equal to name. Okay, both are different. Name is equal to name. What I'm telling. Fee is equal to fee. So fee is equal to fee. So whatever I'm passing here, that is stored here. Okay. After that, okay. After this, I'm going to define one method called display. Okay, I'm going to call a method called display. And inside this display, I'm going to print all this things. Okay, so system.out.println sys system.out.println. First, I'm going to print roll number. Okay, roll number. So roll number plus I'm giving some space. Okay, then what's needed after roll number? I'm going to print name. Okay, so going to print the name, then of course some space, then again plus fee. So all the things are getting yes. So roll number, name, and fee. I'm going to display this. Okay, these are the three: roll number, name, and fees. I'm going to display here because I want to display it. Okay, before that, in the main method, okay, main method, public static void main, I'm going to create the object for the class student. Okay, see here, I have created a class student. I'm going to create object for that. So student, I'm creating, let's consider I want to create three objects. Yes, one. This one is equal to, see, when I create an object, here I have called constructor. So I should create that also. New student. Okay, so I have to pass three parameters to this. So whenever I call this constructor, see three parameters are there, roll number, name, and fee. Here also you should pass three parameters inside student. First one is roll number. I will tell 001 is the this one, okay, comma, and name of the student, okay, string student, let's consider Arjun. Since it is string, I should give it in double quotes, okay, string, second parameter is string, okay, string, so this one, then comma, fee, I will give 1200. F, since it is float, we will put it as F. Okay, this is the first student. So this is for a first student, student S1. Okay, student S1. The same way I should do it for another. I'll just copy paste and paste this. Okay, here it is S2, student S2 and 002. And I'm going to print, yeah, J is the second student. Instead of 1200, I'm going to change 1500. Okay, one more, this one's, one more student S3. Okay, so totally three students. I'm creating three objects, 003. J is done. Okay, so studio, third is stdu studio, just for purpose of this 1800. So I have created the objects S1, S2, S3, and I have passed the parameters. You can see 001, Arjun, and 1200. So roll number, name, and fee. Since that's the thing I have passed here. The same thing I'm going to print it here. So after creating this, you know that you should call the method. You should call the method. So the method name is display. I want to display this. Okay, I want to display. Since I have to display roll number, name, and fees, so it's S1 dot display. Okay, S1 dot display, then S2 dot display. So then S3 dot display. So all the things, whichever is there. So all of these three things I'm going to display. So I'm calling these methods S1 dot display, S2 dot display, and S3 dot display. So it's going to call this. All the things is done. So of course, whatever is here, whatever I passed, that should be printed. That should be printed. So I will run this program. I'm saving it and I'm going to run this. Okay. Yeah, you can see the output. There is something, some problem is there. See, I have passed 001 Arjun 1200, 002 AJ 1500, 003 Studio 1800. So actually, I passed these parameters. This is passed here, and this is should be printed here. But you can see all the three, whichever I called, three display I have called using different objects. All are zero. Zero is first one. That is roll number. It is displaying zero since it is int 0. String name is string, so but it is displaying null, and the fees is zero point 0.0 since it is in float. So it's not getting printed actual value, but it is printing what, some initial or garbage value it is getting printed. Why? Because there is a problem, as we see here. It's underlined over here. Okay, see here, there is no distinction between the instance variable and formal parameters. Actually, you are saving here, whatever the formal parameters is there. This is formal parameter, roll number. This is stored in this instance variable. Okay, but that is not happening. Actually, when I click on this, see here, all this four roll number is selected. That means this is also actually formal parameter. When I click this, you can see here, this is so to avoid this confusion, see ambiguity is there, okay, to the compiler, whether it is this one is formal parameter or instance variable. So you should use this keyword. I'll show you how this dot this dot roll number. So you can see here when I click on this, this color is completely changed roll number. You can see this dot roll number. When I select on this, this is highlighted, this is highlighted, this is highlighted. Now it is actually referring, this keyword is referring to instance variable. So whatever the formal parameter you are passing here, so this is actual parameter 001, you are calling this is a formal parameter roll number. So 1001 is storing it here. Okay, but it's not displaying because you are not using this keyword, because it's can't able to distinguish between instance variable and the formal parameter. Now it is clear. Same way, see here, this name is referring to this name, but not this. It should be this name. If that is why this dot name, you can see here, this dot name. Okay, now you can see this is highlighted. So the same way you can see the color is also different now. Okay, color blue. So here also same way this dot fee. So this dot fee. So again it is referring to this fee and this fee. So now to avoid the confusion between instance variable and formal parameter, you use this keyword. Now I'm going to run this. We will see whether you will get the same output like this. Okay. So I'll run this program. Okay. Okay, everybody, you can see the output. It's very clear now. Okay, 001, the 1 Arjun 1200, 2 AJ 1500, 3 Studio 1800. So now it is getting printed properly because now I used this keyword. So the distinction between instance variable and formal parameters is clear now. So there is no confusion or ambiguity is not there. So that is the importance of this keyword. Normally, it is quite important topic. It will be asked in interview what is the use of this keyword. I hope you have understood this video and you can able to answer this in your placement interviews and all. So thank you so much for listening to this and watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you.